What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not currently pushing crypto content out and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see here, Ethereum actually did come down, as we said in our previous video, and tap into this previous level of support that we actually outlined here, at around this $1,700 level. Obviously, we saw Bitcoin yesterday having a big fake out to the downside. It broke down below that 31k support, which we have been highlighting for a long time as very strong. But we did say Bitcoin was looking extremely oversold. And as it fell into those levels, it looked very likely a big reversal was coming. And obviously, because of that, Ethereum did sell off as well and came all the way down to around this $1,700 level. But we did actually get a really nice bounce, and we're currently back up almost to $2,000 here. We're in and around this $2,000 level. And we did say every single time that Ethereum has come down below these levels, as you can see, it has got bought up very quickly. So we're imagining a reversal for Ethereum does seem quite likely quite soon. From what we can tell on the chart, as we've seen for most cryptos, it does look as though there is an inverse head and shoulders playing out basically, with the neckline something like this. So we're currently retesting the neckline on Ethereum, and it does look as though it's more likely than not that we're probably going to see some upwards price movement, especially considering that Bitcoin's at about 34k right now and had a very nice bounce back up from those lows that it did hit. So in our opinion, things are looking quite bullish today, dare we say it. Obviously, as we can see, we've got very oversold on our RSI, but it does look as though we've got this nice bullish divergence potentially with lower lows on our price action but higher lows on our RSI, which does signal a reversal. And we obviously have got a nice reversal here from $1,700 all the way to around $2,000 currently. So things looking quite good. We are just about to flip bullish potentially on EMAs here. As you can see, our 20 is coming up to meet the 50 here. And if we do get this flip, then we're probably going to expect a bit more upwards price action. We're basically holding the 50 as support right now, as you can see. We flipped it from resistance into support, which is really good to see. And obviously, if you can keep the 50 as basically as support and continue upwards, then we are going to be seeing some nice upside for Ethereum. As we can take a look here, it's been quite literally about a week or so since we've been bullish on our EMAs. We've basically been stuck under the 20 this whole time, fake out to the upside here, but as you can see, continually just rolling over because of being stuck under the 20. But we've actually broke the 20 and the 50 in one foul swoop here, flipped the 50 into support. So if we could hold the 50 or even the 20 as support, we could be looking at potentially the 20 dragging us back to the upside here. And especially with this inverse head and shoulders, as we said, potentially playing out something like this. With this being the neckline and it being retested around this area, then obviously our price target is probably going to be somewhere up here, basically making the full arms of the, you could say, head and shoulders coming up to around this level here. This will probably be our price target at around $2,200. So the reversal looking pretty good right now, we'd say, on the hourly time frame. Let's just take a look at some higher time frames to get an idea of what's going on. On the 4 hour here, you can see there was this huge wick back to the upside here, so quite a clear amount of demand anywhere below this $1,900 level here. We've got this massive amount of demand. We came down, perfectly touched this previous buy zone area of demand here, this demand zone that we've seen here, and we've quite clearly bounced to the upside. We're currently on the 4 hour, still stuck under the 20 here. We are actually testing it as resistance right now and starting to roll over a little bit. But it does look as though things are looking quite bullish in general. As we can see, we're getting these big bullish divergences on pretty much every single time frame, which is clear indication that we're very oversold. As you can see here, this is a clear bullish divergence as well. So we are predicting that there probably is going to be a very nice bounce for Ethereum quite soon. But as you can see, I mean, you could technically see this is just a big double bottom. We've actually tapped a similar demand zone here and perfectly rejected and come to the upside. So we are predicting we're probably going to be looking at more upside for Ethereum in the short term. But in our opinion, I think things aren't looking too bad for Ethereum in our opinion. Obviously, no one likes to see your assets selling off in the way that they have. But with Bitcoin at around 34k again, and it's basically looking like it's heading up, we do think that altcoins are going to get dragged up with it. We are predicting that Bitcoin's probably going to be heading up probably into the region of 35, 36k in the next few days, considering how all the bullish momentum it's seeing. And I think that fake out to the downside might have been one of the things that people need to get back into the market. But I think we're actually just about to tick up to 2k on, there we go, 2k on Ethereum right now. So it's quite clear that things are moving. If we just take a look at the daily time frame here, just getting an idea of what all the time frames are saying, it does look as though we have been approaching crazy oversold. If we just take a look at how oversold we have been, basically in the past, when was the last time we were this oversold? Let's take a look. Basically the March 2020 crash, which is obviously absolutely insane. That was the last time that we were this oversold. If you take a look at the line that this is creating here, we've not been this oversold on the chart ever since March 2020 when we had the COVID crash. So quite clear that we're ridiculously oversold right now. There's a lot of greed from the bears in the market, and usually when this happens, we're probably going to get quite a nice reversal to the upside. So in our opinion, things aren't looking too bad for Ethereum here. As you can see on the weekly time frame, still looking very bullish. We haven't even come down and tested the 50 yet. So quite clear that there's a lot of bullish momentum in the market right now. We have actually lost the 20 so far on the week, but obviously there's early days in the week so far. And if we can get back above, I mean, if we can get like to $2,300, $2,400, we will be basically holding the 20, which is absolutely super bullish for continuation. We're not seeing any signs of a bear market yet from what we can tell. On our weekly timeframes, things are looking super bullish. So if you just take a look at the 1 hour again, in the short term, we are predicting that Ethereum is going to have a nice bounce. As we can see, we are bouncing in and around this $2,000 level. But considering that this inverse head and shoulders is probably going to play out, we are predicting at least this $2,200 to $2,300, maybe even $2,400 level. And obviously in the long term, we're super bullish on Ethereum. In the next year or so, we are expecting it probably to go to around, we'd say at least 10k, maybe even 15 or 20k as the bull run reaches a climax. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.